In this video, I'll show you how to add a partner to TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, below 2025 taxes, you want to head over to the first option, which is My Info. Now, once you click on My Info, in here you will see your personal profile. And at the bottom, you will find the option to add a dependent. At the bottom, click on Add a Dependent. From here, you want to set this as the second option, which is another person. And at the bottom, click on Continue. Now from here, you can add their first name. Let's say that their name is John. Their last name is Doe. Their date of birth, we can also specify that. And on the citizenship, you want to make sure that they are either a citizen from the US or a resident of Canada or Mexico. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now, what you need to do is add your relationship with your partner. So in here, you can select a relationship. Let's say that they are other. Other means you can add them as a partner, like a friend. At the bottom, it will ask you if you lived with John for the whole year. Let's say yes. And if John lived with another relative for more than 6 months, let's say no. Now, it will ask you what John's gross income is, either 5,200 or more in 2025. Let's say yes. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now it will take you to tell you more about your partner. In here, we will select all that apply. If none of these apply, head over to the bottom, click on none of these, and then click on Continue again. Now in here, you need to get the SSN or the ITIN. If this is not valid for employment, you can simply check this. At the bottom, click on Continue. And if the person is not qualified, at the bottom, if you click on Explain why they don't qualify, on the right-hand side, it will automatically say that they don't qualify because their gross income is over 5,200 for 2025. The tax rules say a person can only be claimed as a dependent if their gross income is less than 5,200. So let's say if we click on Back. Now this will also depend on the settings. Let's say you want them to qualify. If we click on Continue and we change these settings, this is what it would look like if they would qualify. As you can see, they qualify as your dependent. If you do want to add a spouse on the My Info section again, if you head over to Your Info, at the bottom, if you click on Revisit, from here you want to head over to the bottom and click on Continue. And in here, you can automatically say that you are married. Now, if you are married, you can plan to file jointly or plan to file separately. Now in here, if you file separately, you can set a head of household depending on your rules. And once you have that, as you can see, you will now have a spouse within your TurboTax account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.